Hello everyone, welcome back to Placement Buddies. Let me welcome you all to another lecture of this industrial instrumentation playlist. Today we will be going through the electrical methods of temperature measurement, and the first method is RTD. RTD stands for Resistance Temperature Detector. It is a PTC type, which stands for Positive Temperature Coefficient type device. Positive temperature coefficient means with an increase in temperature, the resistance of RTD increases. As you can see in this graph, भले ही निकल से बना हो, कॉपर से बना हो या फिर प्लेटिनम से बना हो, with an increase in temperature the resistance of the RTD material increases. So such type of devices are called positive temperature coefficient devices. In the subsequent lectures you will see thermistor to be a negative temperature coefficient device in which the resistance will decrease with an increase in temperature, right? Okay, now let us talk about the materials used in making RTD. The first thing is gold and silver. Gold and silver are rarely used. They are not used for making RTD. Okay. Tungsten. Tungsten has a relatively high resistivity, but it is reserved for high temperature application. क्योंकि टंगस्टन बहुत ही ब्रिटल है एंड ब्रिटलनेस की वजह से इट गेट्स डिफिकल्ट टू वर्क विद टंगस्टन. ओके. कॉपर को ओकेशनली हम RTD एलिमेंट की तरह यूज कर सकते हैं. Its low resistivity forces the element to be longer than the platinum element, but its low cost make it an economical alternative. अगर हम लोग cost की तरफ से सोचेंगे and we want to save our money, then we will go for the copper thing and not for the platinum. Okay. Most of the RTDs are made up of platinum, nickel or nickel alloys. The economical nickel wires are used over a limited temperature range and they are quite non-linear and tend to drift with time. Nickel का problem क्या है कि द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ अ निकल RTD इज क्वाइट नॉन लीनियर. ठीक है, अभी हम लिनियरिटी मेंटेन करने के लिए प्लैटिनम की तरफ गए एंड वी हैव सीन दैट फॉर मेजरमेंट इंटीग्रिटी प्लैटिनम इज द ऑब्वियस चॉइस. ओके, हैविंग सेड दैट देयर इज एन इंपॉर्टेंट टर्म कॉल्ड PT100 which is asked almost in all the interviews of instrumentation, like what do you mean by PT100? Okay, so PT100 basically means an RTD or a temperature sensor which is made up of platinum and the resistance of that particular sensor at 0 degree C is 100 ohms. Okay, so this is very important and that is the reason why I have highlighted this point. Okay, PT100 almost सारे interviews में पूछा जाता है. Now the characteristic of an RTD is linear. As you can see, for the platinum element the linearity is maximum, so RTD offers linear characteristic. In the subsequent lecture you will see like RTD is most linear. Okay, it is more linear than thermocouple and thermistor as well. Okay, so now let us talk about the construction of RTD. As you can see, this is the diagram of a like miniature ceramic coated RTD. So let us discuss what it is basically. It is ceramic coated, as I have said. It is a good conductor of heat and poor conductor of current. That is the reason why we coat it with ceramic. Okay, it provides electrical insulation from the sheath. See, it provides an electrical insulation from the sheath which has to be there in order to save it from the external factors. Element is aligned and stretched lightly over the support to give firm sitting. Okay, so this is how an RTD is made sit into something. Okay, मतलब जब भी हम RTD को जाके कहीं पे बिठाएंगे या इंस्टॉल करेंगे, we will fit it on that place using the mounting threads and the connecting leads will be outside. Okay, so let us quickly look into the equations of an RTD. For low temperature, the resistance at temperature T degree C is given by the expression RT equals to R naught into 1 plus alpha delta T, where RT is the resistance at temperature T degree C, R naught is the resistance at temperature 0 degree C, alpha is the resistance temperature coefficient, its unit is per degree C, and delta T is the change in temperature. Okay, for high temperature हम लोग क्या करते हैं, when the temperature changes from T1 to T2 we replace delta T by T2 minus T1. Okay, alright, so this equation is also very important from placement's point of view, right? Now let us quickly look into the advantages of RTD. It provides high stability and accuracy. Linearity is an unique characteristic of RTD, as I have already said. It is more linear than thermocouple and thermistor also. It provides a wide range of temperature measurement, like minus 250 degrees C to 1000 degrees C it can measure. Now let us quickly look into the disadvantages of RTD. It is a passive device, okay? मतलब इसको बाहर से externally power देना पड़ता है, otherwise it's not going to work, okay? Unlike thermocouple, which is an active device. Cost. RTDs are very expensive. सेल्फ हीटिंग, आरटीडी में कभी कभी सेल्फ हीटिंग हो जाता है, विच इज़ अ वेरी अनडिजायरेबल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक आई मस्ट से. स्मॉल चेंज इन रेजिस्टेंस विद टेम्परेचर, या as you have already seen in the characteristic graph, there is a very small change in resistance with an ample amount of change in temperature. इसका मतलब क्या है? change in output divided by change in input will be less. change in output divided by change in input मतलब nothing but sensitivity, right? So RTD का sensitivity is a bit low, okay? So that is it for today, guys. In the next lecture we will discuss about thermistor, okay? So thanks a lot. मिलते हैं अगले लेक्चर पे. बाय.